Hey guys, it's Jerry Metalman Battaglia. I'm out here in Long Island, New York. I'm here with my friend Joe, and he has an awesome car for sale. So we just wanted to showcase it. So guys, please subscribe to my channel to see more videos coming up. Please like and share this video. Leave any comments down below. And I have my friend Big Joe over here. And we're going to do a video. So guys, it's a 1955 Pontiac Star Chief Silver Streak. It's been in the garage how many years, Joe?
1980.
It says 1980. Why don't you tell us a little about the car, Joe? How you found it? Where was it?
Yeah, it was in storage since 1980. It was in a heated garage. You had other cars a little more valuable than this one, but you know, solid chassis. It's got two spots on the floor that have a little bit of rot in the front. The rest of it's real solid, and I found two little spots in the trunk, but the trunk is pretty solid except for those two spots.
Original primer on the floors, leather interior,
motor.
Two-door hardtop. No problem. There's a little spot here on the rear trunk. So guys, the trunk is very solid. One spot there. There's one little spot in the corner here. But other than that, the trunk is solid. A little back here. The car is for sale. Here's the floor over here. There's a hole in the floor right there. Power window car as well, guys. Yeah, the door seems more straight.
One spot down here.
A little rust over here on the door too. The frame is good underneath, guys. And it's original copper color with copper and white leather interior. It's original motor.
There's no starter.
There's no starter.
And no fan.
And no fan on the car. Power steering car.
You want to take the number on the
Yeah, Joe, that. It does need a restoration, but it's a pretty cool car, pretty rare car. And yeah, I took that VIN number down so they could see it as well. And Joe, what's your phone number?
631-560-8874.
And how much you looking to get for the car?
$4,500.
Yep. There's the VIN number again, guys. And the car will be sold on a bill of sale from Joe to you.
There's a broken window behind the passenger side on the driver's side, and broken window on the passenger side window.
Yeah, I seen that. Yep. Alright guys, again, if you are interested in the car is for sale. It's located out in Long Island, New York. You call Joe direct. And your phone number again, Joe?
631-560-8874.
Alright guys, thank you so much. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share this video. More cars coming to the channel, a lot of classics coming up this summer and springtime. You know, please hit that bell notification so you see more videos like this. Thanks so much, Jerry Metalman Battaglia. Have a great day.